2019 Lincoln MKT Black Label, 2019 Lincoln MKT Reserve, 2019 Lincoln MKT Review, New Cars By. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Lincoln brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Lincoln MKT Black Label, 2019 Lincoln MKT Reserve, 2019 Lincoln MKT Review, New Cars By. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Lincoln MKT Black Label, 2019 Lincoln MKT Reserve, 2019 Lincoln MKT Review, New Cars By. It seems that the year 2019 is going to bring several redesigned, but also renamed models coming from the luxurious Lincoln brand. Lincoln apparently has decided to discontinue its MK naming scheme, first with its MKX that will be replaced by the Nautilus, and now with the MKT. According to our sources, the well-known MKT crossover is going to make its debut as a 2019 Lincoln Aviator. Exterior. We must admit that the Lincoln MKT has not been quite the best-selling model when it comes to this brand. Lincoln has been producing it from 2002 to 2005 and let's face it, it has not been successful at all. The upcoming year is going to bring us a redesigned version of this model, so Lincoln obviously plans to go back to the market and make more success with this next generation Aviator. As far as we have been informed, the new Aviator will be based on a new rear-wheel drive platform developed by Ford. This highly modular platform has been found on the next generation Ford Explorer, so the new Aviator has been often compared to this model in terms of exterior design. This SUV should undergo some distinctive updates in the front fascia. The first thing that everyone in the road will notice is your shiny LED illuminated Lincoln star on the grille. It will simply be eye-catching and easily noticed wherever you go. The whole vehicle will appear more aggressive, luxurious, and stylish. Interior. The interior of the 2019 Lincoln MKT Aviator is going to show once again why Lincoln has been one of the most luxurious and prestigious brands in the market for so long. Namely, the new Aviator will provide more comfort and space inside its cabin with numerous updates in terms of materials and technology. The Sync 3 infotainment system will be provided on a large touchscreen display. It will offer you features such as navigation system, audio system, climate control, Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi hotspot, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Even the rear seat passengers are expected to get their own form of entertainment on adjustable monitors. Safety systems and driver assist features will not be left out either. Some of them include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping system, active park assist, 360-degree camera and auto high beam headlamps. Engine. 3 options have been considered under the hood of the 2019 Lincoln MKT Aviator. The base model will come with a 2.3-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine which is expected to deliver 285 horsepower. The other possibility that the fans might get includes a 2.7-liter EcoBoost twin-turbo that produces 325 horsepower and 375 pound-feet of torque. A 3.5-liter EcoBoost has also been planned. The engine of the 2019 Aviator should be mated to a standard 6-speed automatic transmission, but a new 10-speed automatic will possibly be offered as well. 2019 Lincoln MKT release date and price. The release date of the 2019 Lincoln Aviator X MKT should probably be expected sometime in early 2018. The estimated price of this model starts around $44,000. Thanks.